Differentiate between inbreeding and outbreeding in cattle. State one advantage and one disadvantage for each one of them. So in this question, we will see the differences between inbreeding and outbreeding. So what is inbreeding? The major difference between inbreeding and outbreeding in cattle is that here inbreeding refers to the mating of closely related individuals. So whereas within the same breed for 4 to 6 generations. But when it comes to outbreeding, it is the breeding of unrelated animals. It means which may be between individuals of the same breed, but they do not have any common ancestors for 4 to 6 generations, or between different breeds or different species. So basically outbreeding is a breeding between different breeds or different species. So inbreeding would be an option if a breeder had a very limited stock of the pure breed and wanted to magnify a specific trait, this could be an advantage. So here, if a breeder wants to continue with a specific trait, then he can go for inbreeding. So that could be the advantage of inbreeding. So health related disadvantages in inbreeding, that could be genetic disorders or poor fitness. Coming to the outbreeding, so what could be the advantages and disadvantages? So advantage here in outbreeding is it often produces offspring of superior quality because it increases homozygosity so that it can produce superior quality of offsprings. So this could be an advantage. But coming to the disadvantage in outbreeding, it reduces the fitness in descendant generations. So this could be the disadvantage of outbreeding.